Hello Facebook people, I'm Konstantinos and today we're going to talk about lead generation campaigns. I see your comments. You're saying you're talking too much about e-commerce. Talk a little bit more about lead generation. I have some clients in lead generation. It's not the majority of my clients, but I do have a clear opinion about it. I will tell you why I'm not talking so much about lead generation. It's against the way that the platform is working. I'm going to explain. So, how does the platform of Facebook and Meta is actually working? It's finding one person, let's say a purchase, it's finding a purchase, then another purchase, which is the final event. What is happening with lead generation? You are actually having people who are intending to become buyers. So, you are having a lead, and maybe some of these people are going to convert. So, let's say that you have 100 leads, and then 15 people are going to convert out of the 100 leads. If we had a way of actually going back to the campaign and actually saying that these are the 15 people that they have converted, then it was going to be a correct process for Meta. Because we might say whatever we want to say about lead generation and all of that, but it's against the way that actually Meta is working. Meta is working with the final event and the person that actually has converted so that it can find similar people to them. So what do we see on lead generation ads? We see that we are having good quality initially because from the 100 people we have 15, let's say for example. Then the next 100 people, they're not going to have 15 people inside. Maybe they're going to have 10, maybe 8, 7. And it's going to drop. Why? Because it doesn't know who are the people that have converted from the initial pool. And this is the biggest problem. So, what are we going to do? Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my Facebook ads course. It took me 6 months of video editing everything and 3 months of video shooting. And because of that, I have created the best Facebook ad course in the world. Inside, you're going to find super advanced information, but information also for beginners. It takes you by the hand in order to teach you how to do Facebook ads from the beginner level to super advanced level. It has inside Loom videos from cost caps, speed caps, Loom videos from CBO, ASC optimization. It has chosen 5 sessions, inner circle sessions, and it has a lot of theory with whiteboard, also strategies that are working all of these years, things that I have developed, things that I know that are working because I have spent millions and millions on the platform. Currently, I'm spending between 5 and 10 million every month, sometimes it's even more, across 30 accounts, and I have access to many more. So I know what is currently working and all the latest trends, and this is what I'm doing inside the course. I'm showing you live ad accounts with real spend and what is working right now. And if you want, you can click the link below, you can go and you can check some videos that I have open free for you so that you can check if you like the course or not and decide if you want to buy it or not. I will see you there. First of all, we're going to admit the situation, okay? It's like the AA. You have to admit that you have a problem. We have a problem, okay? We cannot have the people that have converted coming inside the ad set and optimizing for them. Someone could say you can upload them, the ones that are actually converting. Yes, but then you need to change also the event that you optimize to. Are you going to optimize for an event for the people that they have converted? As you can understand, this is not possible. So either you're going to optimize for leads and you're going to try to do relaunches all the time in order to refresh it or different audiences and all of that. But eventually you will know, because this is what we do over here. We talk in a technical level and we don't just have theory. You will know that eventually the quality is going to drop. So you're going to fix your strategy around that, understanding that you have a problem and you're not utilizing the platform in the way that it should be utilized. So this is thing number 1. Thing number 2, fixing quality can be fixed also with other things. For example, I remember I had a water filter company, for example, and in order for us to have good quality leads, we were asking if you're the homeowner because it was a big investment. Somebody who wouldn't own the house, he wouldn't buy the water filter, for example. Another thing that you can do is screening questions into your lead generation form or having a very good landing page where you're converting the leads there. In all of this situation over here and doing leads, you need to understand that you need to have frequent relaunches because you cannot feel inside the people that they have actually converted. Understand it and refresh your creatives much more frequently. So in e-commerce, we go and we keep a creative for as long as we can. In lead generation, you have to refresh the creatives again and again and again all the time in order to try to increase the quality. And the last and the most important thing is the last tip that I want to give you, which I think that changed the whole situation and the whole quality of the leads for many, many companies all of these years. So what is the only thing that has changed so much the outcome of the leads and the quality of the leads? It wasn't the refreshes that I told you, it wasn't the creatives, although they are helping, it wasn't the realization that the platform is working in another way, it wasn't all of that. It was one thing that is coming from daily life. People are creatures of habit. You are going to watch the lead. If someone has given you and became a lead at 9 o'clock at the night, you are going to call them at 9 o'clock in the night. There is a reason. It means that this hour of the day, he's there and he is actually available. If somebody is converting as a lead at 9 o'clock at the night, or let's use another normal hour, let's say at 10 o'clock in the morning, and you call them at 5 o'clock in the evening or 8 o'clock in the morning, maybe they're not going to be able to pick up the phone and convert as a lead, for example, or maybe they're not going to see the email in time, or whatever is your way of actually convince them to become a buyer after they are becoming a lead. So it's very important for you to understand the timing. Did they convert in a specific hour of the day? Most likely the next day they're going to be at the same spot. We are going to take away the weekends because the weekends people don't have a specific routine, but think of yourself, okay? You are in specific hours of the day to specific places and you are available or not specific hours of the day. So this is one of the most important tips. Don't take the leads, for example, and actually call them after 1 week. It's not going to work. Fast and the next day at the same hour that they have become a lead, most likely this is the hour that they're available and they have checked you and they have shown their interest about your service or product or whatever that may be, and this is the hour that you should call them in order to try to close them. This thing alone, which is not related with the ads, but it's just related with human behavior, has saved many of the businesses that I know in the lead generation sector and has actually made them have better quality leads that they are converting more. I hope that this is also going to compensate you for watching this channel for e-commerce while you're doing lead generation and writing comments below that I'm not doing enough videos for lead gen. And don't forget that you have also my course where it's having a lot of things about lead generation, specific videos for lead generation. It has also, of course, e-commerce inside, but all the things over there, they're being applied also in lead generation, and there are specific chapters and specific videos for lead generation. Don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, you can check my course that, as I have said earlier, it has lead generation videos inside, and it's one of the few that's actually going so deep into the lead generation sector. It has also a lot of reviews already from the people that they have completed it and they love it, so go and check it. And there's also a free part where you can go and you can check the free part and decide if you like it or not and if you are going to buy it. And of course we have my mentorship programs, where in my mentorship programs you are going to be able to have one-on-one calls with me, and below you can see all the reviews from the people that they have completed the programs or they are still on the programs. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.